everyone, and welcome to my channel. Excuse me, I'm Chari. Today we're gonna start the first video on a series how to make a little Easter bunny. And here is the little Easter bunny. He's not finished, as you can tell. It still needs to be painted, and we will do that. It's got shoes. Look at here. It's got little shoes that I will have to finish. Of course, it will have lace on it, you know, to make a bow. And it got his little tail coat, and I think it turned out really cute. And I like the way it kind of goes up this direction. Anyway, I think he's a really sweet little bunny. I love to make, this has been awesome. I mean, I don't even know how to explain myself because I saw this, how it was made. And the thing was kind of interesting because I made a doll, and it was almost the same way when I first started doing YouTube. I don't think I have a tutorial on her, but I do have one, I think, that I like a show and tell. And this is her, okay? And she's made with pipe cleaners. And let me tell you, she's got bloomers, she's got everything. And this is, I did it sort of in a way, but I didn't use cotton. I forgot, I think it was fabric what I used. But with pipe cleaners, and I think she turned out awesome. And the only difference that she has hands that are ceramic and her face that is ceramic, okay? So I just want to let you see that, and it's done very, very well since then. But this is a little bit different. So the channels that I've been looking at, they're doing this, a lot of them are from Russia. And I guess it's their thing to do there, but I'm just fascinated with it. Anyway, well, let's just get started, okay? I don't want to make this too long. So I got 4 double. I have a red and a green to kind of show you, and I twist them, pipe cleaners. So I got 4, so actually you need 8, okay? 2 per, and then just kind of twist them around. Not too heavy, but just enough to get them together, okay? So the first thing with the first one we're gonna do is make a U, okay? And that's it, okay? The reason I like the pipe cleaner is soft to the hand to work it, and I like it better. I have done it with the floor wire, but it's heavy and it's really kind of, it's awkward on my hands, so this makes it so much easier. And as you get older, you get arthritis and all that kind of thing. I don't have arthritis anymore because I take moringa, but you know, some people do. But I decided that I like it this way. Anyway, once you do it like this, you're gonna turn it twice. 1, 2, that's it. And then split it. Okay? And this is gonna be the neck of the, you know, of the bunny, I guess. But also, let me show you here just a second, maybe. When they're done, you can hang them with another one somewhere to dry it this way, okay? I'm hanging mine right now in my tripod. But anyway, this is why you want to do this. Okay, so now you're going to split it and want to make shoulders. So about 1 inch from that, you're going to come down, turn around. Another inch from there, you're going to turn around. You can make the shoulder as wide or as narrow as you want. And then you're going to have a triangle. And again, I think it was like about 1.5 inches from here to here. In other words, from the very, let's see if I can do it. From here, right where it crosses, okay? But I want to make sure, but I think that's what it was. Yeah, okay. So here you got it. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter. Like I said, it's up to you. I'm gonna turn it a couple of times. And maybe another one, okay, 3 times. And oh, short legs. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna have legs, don't worry. Okay, The next thing we're gonna do is the arms. And again, I'm gonna make a U to make sure that both of them are even. Make sure this is gonna stay down there. And another U, okay? There you go. So I'm gonna put that U, that fold in here right on the neck. And then I'm gonna go one going one direction, the other one going in the other direction. Okay? Once you do that, we're gonna go under and over. So you go one, you can do it twice, 3 times, how many you wanna do it. I think I'm doing it 3 times, okay? Right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this one. Under, over, under. Hold on. Keep it close together, you know, because you don't wanna make them, you know, the shape. Okay, one more. I think it's the one. I think there's one more, let's see. No, just twice, okay. All right. And here you go. You got the arms, okay? So now what I'm going to do is, because I don't need that much arms, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold some of it. And I was trying to think how long they are, about, let's see here. They're probably about 3 inches long, okay? So from the shoulder out. And that's it right there, okay? And then I'm gonna come back here with my nose pliers and just go ahead and leave that folded in there, but then I'll just come back and make a nice little circle on both sides. So again, I'm gonna measure this right there, fold it, and I'm gonna come back 1 and 2. There we go. And now I got my little hands. That simple, okay? And now we're gonna go ahead and put the little legs on it. And for the legs, I'm gonna, what I'm going to do is attach them to these pieces that I have in here. And also what I'm going to do, instead of doing it this way, I'm gonna overlap it about 1 inch, give or take, and twist it really good together. Okay, and yeah. Make sure that you don't have any wiring or anything, okay? So you do one and you do the other one about 1 inch. That way it stays, you know, it's all solid. In other words, you don't have any knots anywhere. I really, like I said, I like this better than I do the wiring, because you can still have it, they're still gonna do the same thing, but it's so much easier to do with your hands, you know. But you can do whatever, the same thing you can do with the wiring. I would use the 18 gauge for the body, and then have the little really thin one, you know, just floral, you know, wiring, to actually, you know, join them together, like especially the arms, okay? All right. Well, we got Papa long legs here now. And of course, I don't want them that long, so I'm gonna put it here more or less, the back of this one, see? And then I'm gonna do the legs right here, and I'm gonna see how long that is, okay? You can make them, like I said, you can make everything longer depending on the torso, okay? Depending on this, or how wide it is on the shoulder. Okay, where are you? Here we go. So the legs from this joint right here, it's okay, 4.5 inches, okay? So I'm gonna come back here, from right here, okay, 4.5, and I'm gonna fold. And it's okay, because what I'm gonna give it more stability in here, Okay, so I'm gonna fold, but then also remember on the fold is also your foot. So I'm gonna put the foot, since this is a rabbit, I'm gonna come out about an inch. Because you know, we want a big foot for that little baby. And then fold it like that. Now I'm gonna get this to go up and just kind of twist it on the, there we go. And then also give it more stability to the legs. And yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, all right, make sure that everything is like I'm supposed to, give or take, not even make it too long, but it don't matter. Yeah, it is 4.5 right here. And then when I fold it a little bit, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, it's good. And I want to bring him this way, a little flat in here. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. I'm gonna put them together. It's easier this way. Okay, put them together like this. And that way you don't make mistakes. And then when I bring it out, again, fold it. And here, fold it, and right there, fold it again. Then come back. And then just, you know, go all the way back up like we did the other one. When I saw these videos, it opened a multitude of things for me to do. I mean, as you know, I have I do an activity every year. This year I didn't do it. It just didn't turn out right or something. I don't know what the deal was, but just didn't feel right to do it. And I really didn't feel up to it. But normally I do every year. That's the first thing that goes up before the Christmas tree. So, there we go. All right, I think I got it. Yeah, pretty much. Okay? Anyway, so it did just, like I said, it opened just like these wonderful opportunities. And I mean, I didn't know how to do my figurines from my nativity. They will do different things. And when I saw these videos, it was just like, oh my God, this is awesome. And this is what I've been doing. This is what I do off, you know, camera. If anybody's interested on it, it takes time. So let me know, and I will maybe do a video here and there. She was the first one that I did. This is an Israelite with costumes, you know, of dressing like he used to. Okay, even got little shoes with a little lacing and everything. Now her face was done out of cotton. This is gonna be made out of a cotton. This is, actually she's cotton all the way. Except for the very top dress that I used a little bit of one ply of the paper towel and did that for her dress because I wanted some texture on it. But everything else is made out of cotton, and she turned out really, really cute. But like I said, I'm not very good yet with faces, but I'm trying. And then of course, I wanted to make a child, so I made him. And so it's mama and son right here. Whoops, sorry. Right here, see? Whoa. Of course, he'll be holding hands with mama when I put him in the but also he may doing other things. The nice thing about it, I can still move his little arms a little bit, so he might be doing something else. But this is what I wanted to do. And of course, my next thing was a vendor. So here's my little vendor. It's not finished yet. I'm still working on it. I did make his little face out of that Yobi porcelain clay that's made with rice. I just love it. I'm so glad she got that recipe out because, you know, the face is solid. I mean, really. And again, I'm not very good at it, but that's okay. I'm learning. That's what I'm saying. You don't, it takes time for everything. But I'm happy with him, see? That's the whole idea. It don't have to be perfect. I get the message, and from a distance, nobody's gonna tell, I hope. And what he's going to be selling, of course, would be all of these wonderful little baskets. He makes all these little things, you know, little brooms. I got all sizes of brooms in here. They got little baskets. I mean, this is a tiny little basket. This, what they used to do, and I remember my grandmother used it, is to help the little stove, you know, to get air for the fire to get going. We call it soplador. I don't know what they call it. I mean, in the U.S., but I made some bigger ones. You know, hey, you get in there. I remember I had to do that with my grandmother. You know, so I made different sizes of it in little baskets and stuff. You know, and this is what he's gonna be selling. So I think it's really cute. So he's gonna be sitting down on a little stool when he's done that I made. And what I'm saying, my possibilities are unbelievable. And now I can make my figurines to be doing something different. Here, he's not done yet, but he's gonna be a shepherd. He's gonna be holding a stick. So I already got in him, you know, that he'll be holding a stick. It's just, you know, it's just so much fun to do this. So I hope you enjoy this video. I don't want to make it too long. And we'll see you in the next one.